Hello and welcome to the EPM Solutions Project Server 2010 Overview Demonstration. Amy Strand is a business analyst who wants to submit a new project request. Contoso has configured Microsoft Project Server 2010 to capture different types of project requests. Depending on the type of project request, Project Server initiates the corresponding workflow, which drives the needed controls at different stages of the project lifecycle. The workflows comprise sequential stages that represent the main steps within the lifecycle of the project. Each project stage includes a list of deliverables to be completed before the project can successfully progress within the workflow. To begin with, Amy's going to log in to the Project Web App 2010. To do that, we'll go to System Account here. We're currently logged in as the administrator, and we'll sign in as a different user. I'll choose Use Another Account, and I'll put in Amy's credentials. Notice that I'm now logged in as Amy Strand. The Pwa Homepage provides a personalized view displaying information such as the number of new task assignments, number of pending approvals, number of pending timesheets, etc. Let's go to the Project Center. In the Project Center, Amy can view the status of various projects through the configurable views. The current view shows projects grouped by workflow stages and includes relevant metadata on the columns to display informative reports that convey the status of all initiatives from inception to completion. This view can be used as a demand management scorecard, providing visibility and control across the project lifecycle. This view reinforces the importance of capturing all work in a central repository. Project Server 2010 includes the new Fluent user interface, also known as the ribbon, making it easier to complete common activities through the contextual menus. To submit a new request, Amy simply clicks on the New button, selects the appropriate enterprise project type or EPT displayed in the list. To standardize and control the collection of work, the Contoso PMO team has published a list of best practice project templates or EPTs. The enterprise project types are used to represent varying types of projects and non-project work. Each EPT can include a project template, a governance workflow, and a customized project site template. Amy chooses the EPT that most closely matches her proposal, software development. By choosing software development, Amy is routed to the appropriate proposal request form. The proposal request form contains fields to capture basic information about the new project proposal. The proposal request form uses out-of-the-box project detail pages, or PDPs. Project detail pages are configurable forms used to collect project information, for example, descriptive data, cost estimates, strategic impact assessments, and so on. Amy enters the required information. The name is going to be Web Catalog Publishing Tool. In the description, she'll enter a description. Enables creation of dynamic web pages for products including integration of inventory schedule. She'll set the start date to July 12th of 2010. And for the project department, we're going to choose IT. Notice that the default owner is automatically set to the username, in this case, Amy Strand. So after entering all the information, Amy's going to simply save the form. Saving the form initiates the new project proposal based on the software development template and initiates the workflow associated with the ZPT, which moves the project to the next step in the process, that is, the initiate checkpoint stage, where the proposal needs to be approved by the PMO director. This workflow subjects the project to the appropriate controls throughout the life cycle and determines the forms that are displayed and the data required to be completed at each stage. You'll notice that once Amy successfully created the new proposal, she's directed to the workflow status page. The workflow status page acts as a single point for all workflow information and guides users through the process. The workflow status page shows the main stages and deliverables, which keeps the workflow on track, helping to educate employees and drive adoption and acceptance of the process. This page displays the name and current stage of the workflow, the status of each deliverable required to be completed for the current stage, a table with all stages included in the workflow with their corresponding deliverables, and approval and rejection comments. To aggregate projects being managed across different workflows and facilitate and enable enterprise reporting, the different stages of the workflow have been aggregated to a common set of governance phases, that is, create, select, plan, and manage. This page simplifies the workflow process, making it easier for team members to identify the deliverables that they must complete and to navigate to the right forms or views. Having submitted the proposal, Amy now clicks Close, and she is prompted to check in the project.